In today's episode, I'll show you the easiest way in which you can prepare some very tasty peanuts. You'll only need 2 steps, and as a bonus, I'll share with you on how you can store them for as long as forever. And you'll only need 3 ingredients: some peanuts, some salt, and some water. This is cold water. And without further ado, let's get started. So as you see, it was that easy preparing these peanuts, and as you can hear, they are very crunchy, just how we want them. They are also very delicious. So on the bonus tip, how to store them in a very airtight container, and this should be good for months and months. So that's pretty much it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.